Let us start a reversible process. For reversible process, one example we will take. We will take a gas in the vessel. This gas is exerting suppose 2 atmospheric pressure. Now we will give external pressure. The external pressure is how much in the sense 1 atmosphere will give. That means external pressure is 1 atmosphere. Okay. Then if you remove these obstacles, immediately this gas 2 atmosphere, this gas undergoes expansion, gas pushes the piston up, then gas will continuously push the piston up till it attains the pressure 1 atmosphere. Okay, so this process we can call it as a expansion process, we can say. Now in this it is initial stage, it is final stage. Now I will take same like this. Same like this gas I will take. This pressure is 2 atmosphere. Let us give external pressure how much in the sense 1.99 like this. It is this pressure will give. Let us give external pressure like this. So what happens? This gas is having higher pressure, external pressure is less. What is the difference? Very much small, infinitesimally small, we can say. This difference is called infinitesimally small, we can say. Okay. Anyhow, gas undergoes expansion. Gas undergoes expansion, we can say. And the pressure of gas attains how much in the sense so and so pressure. To do that, what we have to do? What we have to do in the sense to do like this, what we are doing in the sense, first we have to keep the difference infinitesimally small. This difference in pressure, how it should be there means infinitesimally small. Infinitesimally small. And leave the system to infinite time. Infinite time. Why the system should be left for infinite time? In the sense this system should go for expansion, and the pressure of system and the pressure of surrounding should be equal, should become equal. Pressure of system and pressure of external should become equal. Till it become equal, up to that time we have to leave. That's what this infinite time indicates. Then the system should get equilibrium with the surrounding. The system should get equilibrium with the surrounding. Up to that time we have to leave this system. Okay, the system and surrounding, between system and surrounding, what should come in the sense equilibrium should be attained. Okay, after attaining equilibrium, then change the external pressure. Now the external pressure is how much in the sense 1.99998 atmosphere. Now see the difference. Here see the pressure of the gas, see the external pressure. What is the difference? Very much small. That means infinitesimally small, we can say. The pressure difference is infinitesimally small. The pressure of gas is infinitesimally small. That means infinitesimal difference with the external pressure. Now gas is undergoing expansion. Now leave this system to infinity time. Let the system attains equilibrium with this external. Okay, so the system is left for sufficient time such that system gets equilibrium with this surrounding. Now the pressure of gas is how much in the sense pressure of gas is this much. Between this system and surrounding, what is obtained in the sense equilibrium is attained. Okay, next you keep the external pressure how much in the sense external pressure you keep this much. Like this you continue, like this you continue. Up to what time means till infinity steps, up to infinity steps, up to infinity steps. Okay, we have to continue up to infinity steps. Okay, now we came to final step. Final step. Now, what is the external pressure in the sense external pressure is equal to 1 atmosphere. Okay, now we got a final stage. Final stage we got. In the final stage, gas exerts what pressure in the sense 1 atmosphere. Okay, now here see the initial see the initial here pressure of gas is 2 atmosphere, here also pressure of gas is 2 atmosphere. Here at final pressure of gas is 1 atmosphere, here also at final pressure of gas is 1 atmosphere. Okay, now what is the difference between this and this? Here initial same, here final same, here expansion, here also expansion, but it is a single step process. Okay, single step process. This process is called what in the sense irreversible process. This process is called a irreversible process. Now we will see this one. Here number of steps infinity. At each step, what is the difference in pressure? Infinitesimally small. At each step, how much time the system is left? Infinity time. Up to when? Till the system attains equilibrium with the surrounding. Okay. If we carry the process like this, then the process is called a reversible process. The process is called a reversible process. Now we can call this is a reversible process. So reversible process means how to do. Okay, how the difference should be there? Infinitesimally small should be there. How many steps we have to take? Infinity steps we have to take. What is the time we have to leave for each stage? Infinity time. At each stage between system and surrounding, what should be obtained? Equilibrium should be obtained. If you take the system like this, then the process is called a reversible process. Otherwise like this in the sense irreversible process we can say. Like this in the sense irreversible process, like this in the sense a reversible process we can say. Okay, so now we said what is reversible process, what is irreversible process we said. Now you consider that in all the natural process, all the day to day life work, all the day to day life work, all the natural process coming under which category? Irreversible or reversible? What do you say? Okay, we can say that irreversible process we can say. Sir, irreversible process, that's what we can say. Next, we will see what is called a path function and what is called a state function. That we will discuss. Okay, now we are going to discuss about a path function and a state function, for which we will take one example. We will take. Okay, we will take one example. What is the example we are taking in the sense? Isothermal, isothermal, irreversible, isothermal, irreversible, isothermal, irreversible expansion, expansion of ideal gas, expansion of ideal gas. Okay, so we have taken a isothermal, irreversible expansion of ideal gas. We are taking, sir. Here we have considered ideal gas. Okay, ideal gas in the sense it is not having any interaction with the surrounding. Okay, like this gas, the like this gas we have taken, sir. So now we have taken what in the sense ideal gas we are taking. We are taking ideal gas. This this is having pressure how much in the sense 2 atmosphere. This pressure is 2 atmosphere. We will see. Okay, its temperature is how much in the sense? Suppose 27 degrees Celsius. Its volume how much in the sense? Suppose V1 liter. Volume is V1 liter. Okay. Now, external pressure. What is the external pressure given in the sense 1 atmosphere? External pressure 1 atmosphere given. Now, this ideal gas will go for what? The ideal gas pressure is 2 atmosphere. External pressure given 1 atmosphere. Okay. Therefore, this ideal gas go for which process do you say? Will it go for expansion? Because pressure of gas is greater than external pressure. Therefore, this goes for what in the sense? expansion, we can say. It is going for expansion, sir. It is going for expansion in the sense, which expansion? Irreversible expansion, shall we say? Okay. And C is such that temperature remains constant. Temperature of the system should remain constant. Temperature of the system, how it should be there means it should remain constant. Okay. How to keep temperature remains constant? Keep in thermostat. Keep the system in thermostat. It will keep a temperature remain constant. Okay. So temperature of the system is kept constant. Okay. Now ideal gas has gone for a expansion. Now the pressure of ideal gas is how much in the sense 1 atmosphere. Temperature is kept constant. Okay. What is the volume, do you think? Volume will be V1, do you say, or V2, do you say? How volume will be there? And the system is closed. Therefore, number of moles remains same. Number of moles remains same because system is closed. So number of moles of gas remains same, we can say. How the volume will be there? No doubt it has gone for expansion. That means between molecules distance increased. Therefore, volume is increased. Okay. Now volume is V2, we can say. Volume is high here, volume is low here. Temperature is kept constant. Number of moles also constant because it is closed vessel. And pressure, what happens means reduced, decreased, we can say. So in this case, what is changed in the sense, in this process, what is changed in the sense, pressure of gas is made to decrease. Number of moles of gas is made to remain same because it is closed. Temperature of gas remains same. Volume of gas increases. Okay. So on so happen. Pressure decreases, volume increases, number of moles remains same, temperature remains same. Means which law in the sense? It is Boyle's law. Boyle's law says that pressure is inversely proportional to volume when number of moles and temperature remains constant, isn't it? Okay. Then now in this process, here work is done or not, that we'll see. Is there any work? Here gas is undergoing expansion. Therefore, is there any work in this process? That we will see. Is there any work in this process? Okay. Work is there means external has done the work or the system has done the work. That we have to see. Okay. Now, this ideal gas pushing the piston up, isn't it? This ideal gas pushing the piston up because of difference in pressure. Since it is pushing the piston up, the ideal gas is undergoing what in the sense? Expansion, isn't it? Sir, that means ideal gas has done work. Okay. So we can say ideal gas has done work. Ideal gas has done work. So ideal gas has done work against what? Against what? Ideal gas has done work against weight of piston. Okay. Ideal gas has done work against what? Weight of piston. Then friction between piston and the vessel. Friction between this piston and this vessel, and then what we can say means external. Okay. Again external pressure. Okay. External is doing work like this. No, this external pressure pushing the piston down. Due to weight of piston is going down, isn't it? Therefore, this ideal gas should go for expansion in the sense ideal gas should do work against which and all? Against weight of piston, against friction between piston and this vessel, and against this external. Okay. Sir, now we will go for some assumption. What is assumption means? One is weightless piston. Piston is what in the sense? Weightless. Okay. One assumption is what in the sense? Weightless piston we have to consider. Okay. So what is another assumption in the sense frictionless piston? Another assumption is what in the sense frictionless piston. So one is what in the sense weightless piston. Another one is what in the sense frictionless piston. Okay, like this assumption we are taking. Okay, so one assumption is weightless piston. Another assumption is frictionless piston. So from this assumption we can do that. We can say that ideal gas has done work against weight of piston. We said no, that we need not consider. Frictionless piston means this also we need not consider. So what we have to consider? We have to consider external only. Therefore, now we can say that ideal gas, as per this assumption, we can say that ideal gas has done work against external. Okay, ideal gas has done work against external. Sir, now what external has done work, that we will see. External work we will see. External work. External is doing work, isn't it? How external is doing work? External pushes this piston down. Therefore, external is doing work. Okay. So, what is the external work, that we'll see? Work is equal to what we can say in the sense force into displacement. Okay. Work is equal to force into displacement, we can say. In the place of force, we can bring a pressure into what in the sense force we can say as pressure is equal to force per area. Therefore, force is equal to pressure into area, we can say, into this displacement, we can say. Sir, this pressure means what pressure? External pressure, because we are talking about external work. Okay, so external pressure will say into area. Area is called what? Area of piston. Area is called area of piston. Displacement is called what? Okay, since the gas is undergoing expansion, this piston is moving up, isn't it? So how much distance it is moving up, that is called the displacement. Okay, this area of piston into displacement is called what, that we'll see. Now we will take here, suppose the piston is here, like this we'll take. Okay, so what is the displacement in the sense displacement in the sense this is the displacement. Okay, this is the displacement. Okay, area of piston is we know. Okay, so area of piston into displacement, that is called what in the sense change in volume. Change in volume, we can say. Change in volume in the sense we have to take this volume v2, we have to take this volume v1, we have to take this difference, you take this v2 minus v1 is called so and so volume. So and so volume, change in volume, we can say. Therefore, external pressure into change in volume, we can say as a delta V. Otherwise, we can say V2 minus V1. Okay, it is called external work. Okay, now ideal gas has done work against what? External. Okay, that will take. So work done by ideal gas. Work done by ideal gas is equal to minus of external work. Minus of external work. Why? Because gas will do work against external, isn't it? Therefore, work done by the system is equal to minus of external work. So external work substitute, that is equal to external pressure into change in volume. Therefore, work done by the gas, work done by ideal gas, or work done by the system is equal to minus external pressure into delta V. Okay, so we got work done by the gas, we got. So how to get this work done graphically, that we'll see. Graphically, how to get this work done, we'll see. Now we will take in this axis, we will take pressure, we will take in this axis, we will take volume. How the graph will be there, that we'll see. Okay, now here you see that in this process, in this expansion, in this isothermal irreversible expansion, what happens to the pressure of gas? Decreases. Number of moles remains same, temperature remains same, volume increases. It is Boyle's law. So what is the Boyle's law curve? Boyle's law curve is what in the sense rectangular hyperbola. Rectangular hyperbola is Boyle's law curve. Okay, now in this one we will say initial state. suppose it is the initial state in the sense P1 V1. It is we will take it as a final state P2 V2 we will take. Okay, this is what in the sense initial state it is the final state, like this will take. Sariya. Now we will see work done by the ideal gas. In this graphically we want to say, now external pressure we want to take. External pressure, how much in the sense this external pressure is equal to this final pressure. Okay, this external pressure is equal to what means final pressure. So now we will take a external pressure is nothing but what in the sense final pressure. So we got external pressure. This is the external pressure. Now delta V is called change in volume. Change in volume in the sense final volume minus initial volume. Sir, now final volume is this. Final volume is this one V2. Okay. Then we will take initial volume. We will take initial volume. We will take this is initial volume. This is what in the sense final volume V2. This is what in the sense initial volume V1. Okay. Now what is the work done? What is the work done? That we will see. Work done is how much means now you take this initial volume, you take this final volume, this difference in volume is this much. Okay, this you multiply with this pressure. Therefore, this area, this box, this area is called work done, we can say. Work done by the ideal gas. Okay, therefore, work done by the ideal gas is so and so, we can say. Work done by the ideal gas is this much. Okay, next. Next, we will do same this process in two steps. We will do it. Okay, same this process here. Isothermal irreversible expansion of ideal gas in single step. This single step we have seen. Now the same thing we will do in two steps. We will do it. Okay, in two steps. Therefore, now we will take isothermal irreversible expansion of ideal gas in two steps. In two steps we will see. Okay, in two steps. That means same like before, but in two steps we are seeing. Okay, now we will take first ideal gas. We have taken ideal gas. Now pressure is equal to how much means 2 atmosphere. Temperature is equal to 27 degrees Celsius. Number of moles is certain moles, and the volume is V1 liter. Okay, like this we have taken. Now external pressure we will keep it as how much in the sense 1.5 atmosphere we will keep. So what will happen means system will undergo expansion. System is undergoing expansion. Therefore, now the ideal gas has gone for expansion and pressure reaches how much in the sense 1.5 atmosphere, and temperature is kept constant because it is isothermal, and number of moles is kept constant because it is closed. Volume becomes VI. Volume is increased. Okay, then it is first step. Second step, what we will do in the sense external pressure we will keep it as a 2 atmosphere not 1 atmosphere will keep. Okay, external pressure we will keep it as a 1 atmosphere. Now gas is undergoing expansion because gas pressure is greater than external, therefore it is undergoing expansion. Now this ideal gas pressure attains how much in the sense 1 atmosphere. Temperature is kept constant, number of moles kept constant, volume becomes V2. Okay, now here you see the initial state, here you see the initial state, here you see the initial state. How these two initial state is there, see, same. Then you see the final state here, and you see the final state here. You see the final state here. Remain same or not? Yes, but it is single step, whereas this one is a double step, two steps. This one is two steps. That's all. Okay. Now here work done we will take it as a W1. Here work done we will take it as a W2. Now we'll see total work done. Total work done is equal to W1 plus W2. Now W1 means minus external pressure. That is like this. Will symbolic representation will give like this. Change in volume Vi minus V1. Okay, Vi minus V1 we can say. Vi minus V1 you can say plus, Then W2 means minus external pressure, that is for like this. Then change in volume V2 minus Va. Okay, like this we can say. So now we will see that what is the work done, that in graphically, that point we'll see. Graphically we'll see the work done. Okay, here volume we will take. Now pressure we will take here. We are getting a rectangular hyperbola we are getting. Okay, this is initial stage V1 initial. This is a Pi Vi, that is a intermediate. This is a final stage P2 V2 final stage. P2 V2 final stage we have given. Now we will see W1. We will see W1 means external pressure is 1.5 atmosphere. Okay, so external pressure is 1.5 atmosphere. That is how much in the sense this much. Then change in volume means Vi minus V1. Vi is how much means it is Vi. V1 is how much in the sense this is V1. Therefore, this is called W1. This work is called, this area is called work done in this first step. First step. Now we will see second step. In the second step, what is the external pressure in the sense P2? External pressure is P2. We can say external pressure is this much. Okay. What is the change in volume in say this V2 minus this VA, V2 minus VA. This is called work done. This area is called work done. So total work done in the sense W1 plus W2. Sir, now you see that it is irreversible process. It is single step process. For this single step process, you have seen work done is this much. Now the same process is done in two steps. Now work done is this much. Okay. Now you say that as number of steps increases, as the number of steps increases, what happens to the work done? What happens to the work done? Do you feel? What happens to the work done? As number of steps increases, work done, whether it is increasing or decreasing, what do you say regarding this? Okay. So we can say that as number of steps increases, work done increases. Work done increases, you can say. Because here you see single step means how the work done is there, see. But two steps means how the work done is there, see. Therefore, work done increases. As number of steps increases, work done increases, you can say. Okay. Now we will see same process. Same this isothermal process will take. Isothermal, irreversible will take. Irreversible, and same expansion will consider, and same ideal gas will take. But how many steps means infinite steps will take. Infinite steps. Okay, though it is infinite steps, this process should be what? Irreversible only. It should be irreversible only. Okay, now we will see how the work done will be there here. That point we'll see. Here pressure is taken here, volume is taken here. What is the graph? Graph is a rectangular hyperbola, we can say. Graph is a rectangular hyperbola. It is called, this is called what in the sense initial state. Initial state. It is called what in the sense first step. It is called second step. This is called third step. This is a fourth step. It is fifth step. It is sixth step. It is seventh step, and goes on like this. Okay. Now we will see in the first step what is the work done, that we'll see. First step work done, if you want, you take first step external pressure, that corresponding volume you take, that corresponding volume you are taking, and initial volume you are taking. Initial volume is this. This is what in the sense first step work done. Then second step work done. Second step work done in the sense second step external pressure you take. Second step that volume you take. This is second step work done. This area is called second step work done. Then third step work done in the sense third step external pressure you see, that is this much. Corresponding volume you take. This area is called third step work done. Likewise, fourth step work done. It is a fifth step work done. Then we can say sixth step work done. Then we can say seventh step work done, and goes up. Now, some of these areas is called total work done. Total work done, we can say. Therefore, isothermal irreversible expansion of ideal gas at infinite steps means the work done will be like this will be there. It is a work done. Okay. So now you say that when number of steps increases, what happens to the work done? Work done increases, we can say. Now we will take a isothermal reversible expansion of ideal gas will take. Okay. Now what we are taking? Reversible process. Okay. So reversible process will take. Now we are taking a system. In the system, what is there means ideal gas is present. Ideal gas is present. This ideal gas pressure is how much in the sense P1 we will take. This pressure is P1 and volume is V1, temperature is T, number of moles of gas is N. Then we will keep external pressure. External pressure how much and initial pressure how much means initial pressure suppose to atmosphere, external pressure how much in the sense like this. So what is the difference in pressure in the sense infinitesimally small, like that should be there. Then the system is left for how much time? Infinity time, till attain what? Till system attains equilibrium with the surrounding. Up to that time we have to leave the system. Set. Then after attaining equilibrium we have to go for second step, like this how many steps we have to take in the sense infinity steps we have to take. Set. Now in the first step, what is the work done? In the first step, work done is infinitesimally small. Why infinitesimally small? Because pressure difference is infinitesimally small. Therefore, system will do infinitesimally small work. Therefore, that is equal to minus external pressure into infinitesimally change in volume. Small change in volume. dV is called infinitesimally change in volume. dW is called infinitesimal work done. P is called this external pressure. The external pressure is this much. Okay. Now it is for one step. It is for one step. Now we want overall work done. We want overall work done. If we want overall work done, what we have to do? We have to take integration on both sides. Take integration on both sides, we will get overall work done, we will get. Okay. Therefore, this is becoming overall work done. That overall work done is equal to external pressure. This in the place of external pressure, what I will do in the sense pressure of gas I will substitute minus dP, like this I will substitute. Then this dV I have written. For external pressure I am writing as a in this pressure of gas, pressure of system minus dP. Okay. Then we will write a minus integration pressure of gas dV, then plus integration dP dV, like this we will write. This is infinitesimally small. This is also infinitesimally small. Therefore, this integration product is negligible to this integration product. Therefore, we will neglect this. So, what is left in the sense pressure of gas into dV? Okay. The gas is ideal gas. Therefore, we can substitute a ideal gas formula nRT by V. We can substitute nRT by V. Pressure of gas is equal to nRT by V. We have substituted since gas is a ideal gas. Then work done is equal to minus nRT we will take outside because they are constant. dV by V will substitute, and initial volume is V1, final volume is V2. Limits we have substituted. Then we will take integration minus nRT. This integration is what in the sense ln V, ln in the sense natural logarithm in the sense log to the base E, and the initial V1 we have substituted, final we have substituted V2. Now we will substitute this V2 and V1 we will substitute. So we will get ln V2 by V1 we will get. It is called overall work done. It is called work done by the ideal gas in the isothermal reversible expansion. Work done by the ideal gas in the isothermal reversible expansion, we can say. This W is equal to minus 2.303 nRT. Now we can say log. Log in the sense base is 10. Ln in the sense base is E. Okay. There V2 by V1 we can substitute. It is called work done for reversible process. So graphically we will see this work done. Graphically we will see the work done. Here we are taking pressure of gas. Here we are taking volume of gas. So what is the graph we are getting in the sense rectangular hyperbola we are getting. This is called what in the sense initial stage P1 V1, initial stage P1 V1 we can say. It is called P2 V2, final stage we can say, final stage we can say. Now we will take this initial stage, we will take initial state, we can take this final state, we can take. Now this corresponding, this area under the curve, area under the curve is called total work done. Area under the curve is called total work done. Okay. Now reversible process in the sense we know that infinity steps. At each step, how much time we have to leave? Infinity time we have to leave. At each step between system and surrounding, what should attain? Equilibrium should be attained. Here pressure difference should be how much? Infinitesimally small. Okay, if you do like this, it is called reversible process. Here work done is like this. Now, this is called what in the sense irreversible process. Okay, it is called a irreversible process. This we can say as a irreversible process. This one what in the sense reversible process. Okay, that is what in the sense reversible process we can say. Next what about irreversible process, reversible process? Here what is a process in the sense isothermal process, isothermal process. Here also what means isothermal process? Here what? Expansion. Here also expansion. Here what gas? Ideal gas. Here what gas? Ideal gas. But how the work done is there? Here we'll see the total work done. Here we'll see the total work done. How the total work done is there in the sense area under the rectangular parabola is called work done here. Area under the rectangular parabola is called work done here. What about work done here in the sense now you see cleanly that this part is not coming under work, is not coming under work. Okay, is not coming under work. This part is not coming under work. Therefore how the work done will be there in this irreversible process you see, and reversible process you see, where it is high in the sense reversible process high, irreversible process is low. So in both cases see, both are isothermal, both are undergoing expansion, both are undergoing, both are ideal gases. But how the work done is there? Work done in irreversible process is small, work done in reversible process is high. Therefore, work done is called what function we can say? Work done is called a path function we can say. Because this work done depends on path. What is the path? Irreversible or reversible? Work done is a path function because work done depends on path of the process. Whether the process is reversible or irreversible, that it depends. Isn't it? Irreversible means work done is less. Reversible means work done is high. Therefore, work done in isothermal irreversible expansion of ideal gas means that is coming under a path function. Path function we can say. Okay. Next we will take a work done in isothermal irreversible compression, irreversible compression of ideal gas, like this will take. Opposite of reversible. Okay, opposite of what in the sense expansion. Now previously we have seen expansion, now we are seeing compression. Now we will go for the graph. Okay, here we have taken pressure of gas, here we have taken volume of gas, we are getting rectangular hyperbola. Okay, now this point we will take it as P1 V1,